Alright, here we have my W123 two-door coupe. Yeah, my sunroof was leaking in this corner here. It was coming out internal and onto the headrest, which you can imagine was not fun. So yeah, I've taken the sunroof off and now taking a look. So there's 4 drain ports in the sunroof. Unfortunately the light's not going, but there's one in the very back corner on each side. And then there's another one down there, which I'll have to clean up a bit. And another one just down there, just in there. So what you do is you clean off all the old grease, apply the new stuff. Yeah, get rid of any dirt, leaves, grit, any of that kind of thing. Check out any sort of rust, which is, mine's pretty good on it actually, just little surface decoloring. So what I'm going to do is get rid of that and then paint over it again. So yeah, get another few decades out of that. But to solve the drainage issue, I've got the compressor set up with a little balloon blow up thing. I'm going to put a hose on the end of this and blow it out. That's after I had a metal wire that I put down there. Where did my little metal wire go? So my little metal wire was this. It is about 1 meter long, which is just a little bit over 1 yard for you American folks. And poked it all the way down into the hole and tried to loosen up and get a little bit through, and that way the compressed air can break away the rest. Anyways, enjoy. I'll let you know how we go. Alright, so down the end I've got the tube inside the drain port, and you've got to hold it in there so the tube just doesn't blow back out. And I've got the control here. So unfortunately I need to pause the video to do it, as it's a two-handed job, but I'm sure you can see what I'm up to there. Alright, so when you've blown compressed air through it, you'll see all the gunk that was blocking it come out in this area here. So yeah, it was quite gunked up in there. So now I'm going to clean all that out, and I'm going to do the other side while we're here, just for a bit of preventative maintenance. Alright, and also going to do the front too. So yeah, let's see how we go. Just a tip, when you're putting these sliders back in, they need to go kind of loop underneath the actual rail, and to do that the sunroof needs to be about halfway down. Just a tip, when you're putting these sliders back in, they need to go kind of loop underneath the actual rail, and to do that the sunroof needs to be about halfway down. Alright, so I've got everything back in. So firstly, got to make sure the rod slides in onto the other rod. I use some good grease on that. The position is here, so the 2 outer prongs slide into the plastic holder, and then the third one kind of keeps it in place like that. Yeah, for notes for the side, okay, there is one labeled left and the other one over here is labeled right. So yeah, and note the orientation of them and how they're put in. And yeah, so this is the one that's got the little link that goes down into it. So they actually clip underneath the rail. So do what is it? The back ones sit on top of the rail for when it drops down and slides back, and the front ones sit under the rail. So yeah, just going to put the last 2 bolts in on the front, and we are all done. So yay! Alright, I hope this has been helpful, guys. Enjoy.